You don't wanna go, but I'm not staying. See, you found love, but I'm just staging. Oh, the fire's low, I'm broken inside. I'm still alive, I'm still alive. But you know that we might stay.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to review the new Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. So if you guys want to see what look I create, what this is all about, and do I actually enjoy it, then definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, so I saw this palette on Trendmood's page, oh god, probably like a month before it actually rolled out. It took some time for it to be released, and I was like, ooh, that is a gorgeous palette. I do love yellow themed palettes, gold themed palettes, like you can name it. I love it. I love yellow. I live for it. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, this is like really golden, it's very yellow, I really want to get it. And then I saw the swatches and I was like, oh my god, I have to get it. But my thing is, I do not like Urban Decay's shadows. I do not like any of the Naked palettes. I just don't. I have that like the Naked Fire palette, I believe. It's been sitting in my collection collecting dust for so long that I eventually just gave it away because I just don't care for them. I've done reviews like in the very beginning on my channel of I think like the Naked Reloaded or Naked Backtalk. Oh, it's the Backtalk palette. Duh. I did the Backtalk palette. I did like a cherry palette. Both I did not buy. I actually borrowed from Kayla, and they were great to my knowledge. I think I liked them, but I didn't like them enough to actually go purchase the actual palette itself. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I have to get it. This would be the first time I actually purchased my own Urban Decay Naked palette. I do not own any other Urban Decay Naked palettes because I got rid of all of them because I do think they're personally just shit. The formula is horrible. They suck. They're not great. They're not pigmented. They don't blend. So I've never cared for Urban Decay eyeshadow formula. Their foundation and their eyeliners, amazing. I use their eyeliner, the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On liner in the color Perversion. I use that in every single one of my videos. I truly live for it, and I do love their foundations. Actually, Kelsey actually included in my bag a new foundation from Urban Decay, so I'm excited to give that a try. So hopefully this eyeshadow palette does not disappoint. Do I have high expectations for it? No, I do not. I expect it to fail on me, but we're gonna go into it open-minded. Hopefully this will be a good palette from Urban Decay for the first time, but we shall see. How much does this bad boy cost anyway? How much did I spend? Couldn't even tell you what I spent on this. Let's see. Alright, so this palette does retail for $49, and there are 12 shadows in the actual palette, making about $4.08 a shadow. The total gram on this is 0.033 ounce per shadow, so they are kind of on the teenier side for the price point, but hopefully it's worth it. $49 is kind of like weird price. I should have just bumped it up to $50. Like $1's not gonna hurt, you know. But there are 12 shadows in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. Oh wait, I should probably open the palette first. But this is the palette. I'm not gonna lie, this is absolutely a gorgeous palette. I think the theme of it is stunning. I do love me some honey colors. I think it kind of matches my background rather nicely. But it is a really gorgeous palette. When you touch right here, it does kind of have like a cheaper feel to it, but it's still really gorgeous to begin with. And then when you open it up, these are the shadows. So they are kind of on the smaller side, you know, but at least you get 12 of them, but they are really small in the pan. So I'm pretty sure it doesn't take much to actually hit the pan when using these shadows. But what I see right here, I kind of see something really cool. First off, let's take the brush out. Oh, it's a really nice looking brush. All right, so what I see right here is, okay, this is my concept right here, right? So you have these 4 shadows right here that go together. Then you have these 4 shadows that can go together, and then you have these 4 shadows that can go together. So it's like a quad. I think it's really cool because I like how they segmented it that way, so you can literally just stick to these 4 right here to do an eye look, or you can stick to these 4 right here to do an eye look, or you can stick to these 4 to do an eye look. I actually like how they themed that out. Whether that was their intention, I don't know, but that is how I perceive it. It did come with a cool little shader and crease brush right here. Oh my God, that is so cool. It actually looks clear with like honey on the inside. I wonder what, no, it doesn't, yeah. I wonder if I break this open, would it actually have honey in it? Could you imagine if this actually had honey in this? That'd be so freaking cool. That'd be legit. But let's go ahead and swatch these colors for you and then we'll dive into the review. The Naked Honey eyeshadow palette is raw and sticky sweet, just the way nature intended. This hive of 12 exclusive gold neutrals includes classic golds, warm ambers, and rich chocolate browns. Reach for our go-to shade amber, it practically glows. Create the perfect hazy smoked out eye with Sting warm brown matte, or get hooked on honey intense gold metallic for the ultimate 70s statement eye. Our buzzed about palette is a keeper with everything you need to create a swarm of looks from bright and sunny to dangerous after dark. I actually really do like the color scheme, and I actually think it's really quite gorgeous. This color right here, this is the honey color right here. I think it's stunning, absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So is this color right here. This is the Hybic. I really do like that. Now, my finger did kind of like swatch really heavily into these pans, but made it just a little messy, but I do love the names in here. Like, it's all really catered to bees and to the honey theme, which I really, really love because I do love bees. We need to save them because they're literally the most important creature on the planet. Without them, seriously, we're fucked. Let's take a try out this brush. Why not? I'm gonna dig into this little color right here. This is Keeper. And I'm gonna put the brush in here. Has a little bit of pickup, not too bad, but a decent sized mirror. And I'm gonna start to place that in my crease area. Is this for the crease? And this is the taper crease brush. Okay, just wanna make sure I have the right side. Now, one of the things I don't like about this brush is I feel like it's so densely packed that it's not the best at blending out the shadow. It's great for packing it on, but if you really wanna sit here and mess around with it and blend it, I just feel like it's not the best brush for it, personally, in my opinion. The shadow is laying down beautifully. It's actually really a nice color. This is definitely a fall vibe to it. I really, really like this Keeper color. It's a keeper. Corny joke right there. Don't mind me. All right, now that that is laid down, I need to blend that out just a little bit. My desk is so messy. I can never keep up with how messy my desk is. I need to clean it. I'm gonna go into Swarm right here. Just, ooh, that has a lot of kick up. Very, very lightly, just to kind of buff this out, just ever so slightly. That is laying down so beautifully. Oh my God, guys, I know it's not like it's much to brag about, but me and Corey are getting Paige, Alicia, her husband, and her friend Javi into the parks. We're so excited. We're literally spending the next 2 days at the parks, and oh my God, I am so freaking excited. It's fun bringing people to the parks, and the reason being is that I'm used to Disney. I get burnt out by Disney really easily because I go to the Disney parks all the time, so I don't have that like magical feeling a lot of times that people get when they go. It isn't until I take someone there for the first time or take someone to experience it that I really get to see the beauty of Disney through their eyes, and I become so grateful for Disney again. Like, oh my God, I forgot how magical this is. Like, when you see it every day, you tend to lose the illusion and the magicalness that Disney has to offer until you go with somebody who doesn't get to go that often, who has never been. Then it brings it all back to you and you truly realize how incredible Walt Disney World is. And I'm so excited to take her there to experience Disney with her. We're gonna have so much freaking fun. Oh my God, it's gonna be such a good time. This color is freaking beautiful. I can't get over how beautiful this colored keeper is. Truly, it is a keeper. And this brush, surprisingly enough, even though it doesn't like blend out the way that I want it to, it really packs on the color. Like, it really just packs it on. And this formula, surprisingly enough, is blending out. I'm rather surprised right now. I'm gonna deepen up a little bit by going into this color Sting right here. I just wanna deepen up just the crease just a little bit. Now this definitely has more of a kick up in the pan. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Just a little bit, not too bad actually. I'm just gonna stick it right in the crease. Just right here in the crease. Now that that color's laid down, which by the way, it laid down beautifully, this eye always does so much better than this eye. I don't know what goes on with this eye. I think this eye is just like in its own world. I want to go into this color Amber. It is such a beautiful color. This reminds me of Dragonfly and Amber, which is one of my favorite Outlander books because I'm obsessed with Outlander. And I'm gonna start to pack that on right at the outer corner and bring it just a little bit forward. Ooh, that didn't have as much pop as I wanted to. That's really beautiful though. This is such fall vibes. I'm loving it. All right, the next one I'm gonna go into is Honey. This is beautiful, just gold, just pure gold. I'm gonna lay that down right next to that. I am actually quite stunned at how well this is blending into each other. It is truly incredibly a gorgeous color. Seriously, that is freaking gorgeous. That is so freaking nice. There's the teeniest little fallout and it's right there. Other than that, there's literally no fallout on the face. I'm actually rather surprised. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera. I'm probably gonna figure out like, maybe I'll put like drip right under the under eye along with keeper because I really do love that keeper color. And I might just mix a couple things up, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then I'll be right on back to give you guys my final thoughts. All right guys, and this is the final look. Okay. All right. First off, I matched my background and my shirt. Like literally, I am just matching fall vibes all around. Now this palette said that it is a neutral everyday wear type of palette and I would actually have to agree. I would have to agree that you can literally wear this palette every single day. It is a golden neutral palette. Like literally these are everyday colors and I truly believe this palette is stunning. I am actually rather surprised at how much I love this final look. Now I did throw on a pair of lashes. I am wearing my MB lashes in the style Loda. I believe that's what it's called. This is a $15 a month lash subscription service where you get to pick, I believe it's 2 full-size lashes of your choice. They send you 2 every single month. The ones that you pick out of the 100 different lashes you could choose from for $15 is really not that bad. Seriously, it's not that bad price. And I think the quality is amazing. These lashes speak for themselves. I am obsessed. They have no idea I'm talking about them. They just send me over their lashes. I tried them on. I'm like, oh, I love them. And I've been using them now for like the last month and a half. I've been wearing lashes. I've been using my MB lashes. I don't have everything about them linked down below. But besides that, what do I think about the eyeshadow palette? I freaking love it. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this eye right here was a little bitch to work with. This eye right here, I love how this eye look turned out. I think this eye look turned out beautifully. This one right here, I'm like, ugh. I struggled to get it to blend, but it's more my fault than it is the eyeshadow palette's fault itself, because this one blended out perfectly. It moved the way that I wanted it to. It had the dimension the way I wanted to. This eye right here, you're like, what? What happened right here? Not my best work by any means, and I always do this eye first, and I really need to start doing this eye first. I feel like you guys see this eye more than you see this eye. That's just my opinion because I feel like this is my better side, so I tend to show this side more often, but I always end up messing up this eye and making this eye look great. And but besides that, I actually truly do love the Naked Honey palette, and I'm really surprised at how much I love this. I truly did not expect to love this palette just because it's Urban Decay, and I really hate their formula, never care for their shadows, and I really am vibing with this eyeshadow palette. I think it's freaking gorgeous. The colors are amazing. I went in with this color Keeper and Drip to do my underwater line right here, and then I went in with Golden for my inner corner and my little attempt to do brow highlight right there, and I freaking love it. And this brush, surprisingly enough, this brush actually worked really well. I used this side to do my under eye, and I did do this side a lot to pack in the color, and I think it's such a cool brush. It like literally looks like there's honey in the inside. I am determined to find out if that's really is honey. I think it's such a cool little brush. This palette does retail for $49, and I absolutely think that it's worth it. Like the colors that you get, like it's such a beautiful color, and it's such a fall vibe eyeshadow palette. Like seriously, yes, there are 12 shadows in here, and they are 0.033 ounces each, so they are on the smaller side. It makes about $4.08 a shadow, but I'm telling you guys right now that this quality of it surprisingly works really well. And I also love how it's sectioned out. So like right here you do have the quad and the quad. You have three mattes of this one and a shimmer. You have one matte and 3 shimmers. You have 3 mattes and a shimmer. Like, I love how it's laid out because you really could just kind of go in these little quad sections. I kind of mixed and matched a little bit, and I really do love the color payoff that I have. It's so gorgeous. It's perfect right now for the fall season, and I'm just really, really loving the eyeshadow palette. So I can't wait to keep playing with it, to have fun with it, because it truly is a stunning palette. It is well worth the $49, so I'm truly grateful that I got this. Here I am thinking when I first opened this up that I was going to return it, get my money back, but no. This is actually going to stay in my collection. Not only is the packaging really freaking gorgeous, but the eye look speaks for itself. It is gorgeous. I'm really, really loving this eye look. I'm really loving how this turned out, and I really do love this palette. So hey, I guess it's 49 bucks well spent. Also, I want to say thank you so much for all the kind words you guys have given me on my last video when I talked about my anxiety and my self-worth issues and struggles that I struggle with, and it's something that I do live on a daily, and I'm doing a little better now. Like, it's not going away by any means, but I'm coping with it. And like I said, I have my days where I'm really high, then I have my days that I'm really low, and I'm just in a funk right now, but I'm hoping to pull out of it. Like, I know that I will, and by talking to you guys and talking to Corey and my friends, like, and my parents, like my mom, like, it has been so wonderful to actually talk about it, because I feel like once you talk about it, you get it out there, and it lets you know that you're not alone. And I just cannot thank you guys enough for all the love and kindness that you guys have shown me and given me support to talk about anxiety, because I know at the end of the day, we all suffer from our demons one way or another. Everybody has their own story to tell. Everybody has their own battles that they're battling, and I just want to let you know that you're not alone, and I'm here. And if you guys ever want to talk to me or ever have, like, just want someone to talk to, please DM me or email me. My email is listed down below in my description box. Please feel free to reach out. I love talking to you guys because you guys are my friends, and I want to be here for you just as much as you guys are here for me. So I want to thank you guys so much for reaching out to me. You guys seriously have no idea how much that has made me, like, emotional, and I can't even talk about it because I'll cry, but I honestly just thank you. That is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys check to make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. I know YouTube has been messing a lot recently with their algorithm and been unsubscribing a lot of people, and I just want to make sure you guys check to make sure you guys are subscribed. So just look down below, and if you are or you're not, just make sure you hit that little bell. It's free, not gonna cost you anything, and you get to see me every day. And yeah, also make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It is Our Florida Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures here with my amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. I'm matching my background again. Is the microphone in? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna review the new Naked Honey. And that's not naked. Hey guys, forgot my intro. Urban Decay Naked Honey. Like, so when I saw, I decided to give. Hello. Hey, honey, honey, honey. I spent $49 on this. How many shadows are in here? There are 12 shadows, so if I spent $49, we're gonna do math. Naked Honey. Alright guys, and this is the final look. Oh, excuse me. I maxed my background. I maxed. I know that YouTube has been this eye look though. Yes. 11.4. It makes my eyes look like woo.